It was almost like she waited until she was safe to have her babies. This lady called my mom and she said, "We found this outdoor cat. She's really pregnant. Can you help?"
Oh. Hi, Maggie. You're awfully sweet.
So she came to us at 7 p.m.
Hi.
Within 3 hours, she's in labor. It was almost like she waited until she was safe to have her babies.
Oh, Maggie, what are you doing with such adorable babies?
Bless her heart, they just kept coming and coming. It broke my heart because I was like, I wish I could help you, but I can't. You gotta do this by yourself. Finally, she delivered 7 and she was just exhausted. We waited for a while after baby number 7. We made sure everybody was okay.
Guys, our babies are all over the place. Isn't that right, Maggie? Isn't that right? They're all over the place.
The next morning, I got up to go check on her. It's like Christmas morning. I was so excited to see her and the babies. And there were 2 more. I was like, oh my gosh, how are we gonna do this? How is Maggie gonna do this? But she's been the most loving, attentive mom. She genuinely cared about every single kitten. When one of them would meow really loud, she was up right away to go see what was wrong. She has done so much.
Hi, Maggie, am I here? Hi, little one.
She gave birth here in Nashville, Tennessee. And they're all named after country music legends.
Hi, darling. Who is this?
Reba.
Hi, Reba. Dolly Parton's not scared of anything.
As the kittens got older, I noticed that she wanted to be away more. Mama needed a break.
This is foster mom and kitty mom time. Are you enjoying your break from the babies?
We have girl time, just me and Maggie.
I love you too.
I fell in love with Maggie. She's just a dream cat.
Look how sweet I am. Look at this.
So many wonderful people have given the kittens forever homes with Maggie. I would love to keep her, but I have a special needs cat. I don't want to disrupt her space. I hope that she finds a home with a really nice family, maybe a family that has 1 or 2 cats that she could get along with. I would love if she was nearby, somewhere in Tennessee, so I could be an annoying foster mom and check in on her. But I would be willing to fly with Maggie to find her the perfect forever home and make sure that she's safe and loved